Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Pittman here. Hope you had a good day today. I miss you a lot. I wish I could hug you. I miss you. So I'm sending you virtual hugs. Alright, I'm going to read you a book. It's called Duck on a Bike by David Shannon. David Shannon is a pretty famous author. He's written a lot of books. Maybe you've heard of A Bad Case of Stripes or the No David books. Same guy, David Shannon. He's not only the author, but he's also the illustrator. So he does it all. One day down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I could ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first he rode very slowly, and he wobbled a lot, but it was fun. Did you ride a bike today? Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. "Hello, Cow," said Duck. "Moo," said Cow. But what she thought was, "A duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen." Then Duck rode past Sheep. "Hello, Sheep," said Duck. "Bah," said Sheep. But what she thought was, "He's going to hurt himself if he's not careful." Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. "Hello, Dog," said Duck. "Woof," said Dog. But what he thought was, that is a mighty neat trick. Then Duck rode past Cat. "Hello, Cat," said Duck. "Meow," said Cat. But what she thought was, I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike. Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. "Hello, Horse," said Duck. "Nay," said Horse. But what he thought was, you're still not as fast as me, Duck. Duck rang his bell as he rode towards Chicken. "Hello, Chicken," said Duck. "Cluck, cluck," said Chicken. But what she thought was, watch where you're going, Duck. Looks like you maybe should have said, "Excuse me." Then Duck rode past Goat. "Hello, Goat," said Duck. "Meh," said Goat. But what he thought was, I'd like to eat that bike. Yeah, because goats eat anything. Duck stood on the seat. Oh, Duck's getting a little fancy now. Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. "Hello, pigs," said Duck. Said Pig and Pig. But what they thought was, Duck is such a show-off. Then Duck rode with no hands past Mouse. "Hello, Mouse," said Duck. "Squeak," said Mouse. But what he thought was, I wish I could ride a bike just like Duck. Yeah, me too. Same. You know what that means, don't you? Look, all the animals are staring at Duck. Look at their eyes. Now, all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. "This is fun," they all said. Good idea, Duck." Then they put the bikes back by the house, and no one knew that on that afternoon there had been a cow, a sheep, a dog, a cat, a horse, a chicken, a goat, 2 pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. The end. Duck on a Bike by David Shannon. Thanks for listening. Hope you get to ride a bike soon. Sending hugs your way. Thanks for listening. See you soon.